Thank you, Mary. So I'm working with Dr. Dave Wishart for quite long, and Dr. Wishart was supposed to be in this meeting, but unfortunately he's in Europe now teaching a summer course which cannot be rescheduled, so I am here. And we have in Canada the Metabolomics Innovation Center, which is Canada's national metabolomics platform, and I am working as a facility manager there. And my background is from analytical chemistry, specializing in the mass spec. So the microbes and the metabolomes are really closely linked, and if you look into the microbiome, mainly for these several endogenous metabolites, mainly the food metabolome, which are like a food supplement or food additives, and also the exposure of the drug and the pollutants, which are all correlated with the microbiome. So, and as you know that the microbial metabolites that influence the physiology and health, and the effects of various these gut organ axis are mediated by the metabolites produced by specific bacteria, and metabolites act as the signaling molecule for microbes to influence the physiology. And the best functional readout of the microbes is not the microbial abundance, but it is mainly the microbial metabolite abundance. In Dr. Wishart's lab, for last 15 years, we are developing several databases, and one of the most important databases is the Human Metabolome Database, HMDB, which is like a widely used in our metabolomics community. And it is all the databases in Wishart's lab, these are all freely available and web-based. So the HMDB, it contains the comprehensive metabolomic database containing detailed information about human and also several microbial metabolites, their structure, pathways, origins, concentration, functions, and different reference spectra of different analytical assays. So currently HMDB has more than 100,000 metabolites, with like 48,000 pathways, more than 350,000 MS, GCMS spectra, and closely around 44,000 NMR spectra. And also has that more than 650 disease links, and normal, abnormal concentration for almost like 20 biofluids or tissues. And it also supports structure, sequence, spectral, text, and pathway searches. And the website link is here, www.hmdb.ca. And all the parameters there, these are fully downloadable, so people can go and use this data for their research. And the HMDB has many sub-databases. So for example, it includes lots of data on the more than almost like 7,000 fecal metabolites, 4,267 urine metabolites, and 1,200 saliva metabolites. Many of these are microbial in origin. It also includes almost like 100 uremic toxins, which play a key role for many chronic human diseases. And many uremic toxins are also microbial. So as I mentioned before, HMDB has source organism data for almost like closely 200 microbial metabolites, and here this Metabolomik shows one of the important short chain fatty acid like a propionic acid. I will show you later on in few slides. Besides those, we have also E. coli Metabolome Database, ECMDB, and it contains closely like 4,000 E. coli metabolites, and 90% of which overlap with human metabolites. And it contains also closely like 2,000 genes and 1,400 enzymes or 387 transporters, and 3,000 chemical reactions, 1,500 pathways, and it also supports sequence, structure, text searches, as well as compound browsing. And for ECMDB, there are almost like 80 data fields per compound. And again, for these E. coli metabolites, we have 19,000 NMR and MS spectra. In last year, we published a review paper on human fecal metabolome, and to our knowledge, this is the first comprehensive review paper on fecal metabolomics. In this paper, the sample collection, preparation, and chemical analysis are critically assessed, and analytical challenges mainly how to prepare